Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. And today we're going to be taking a look at this SopiGuard skin. They make a bunch of different skins for a bunch of different devices. They have a bunch of different colors, textures, all kinds of different stuff. And they are relatively cheap, a lot cheaper than something like D-Brand. I got this for my S24 Ultra for $12.99. And I did just order the same one for my recently acquired Z Fold 4 that I got from Plug Tech. I got that skin for $9.99. So I just installed this, went on relatively easy. It was a full body skin, but I elected not to put the edges on because I like the kind of red and titanium black contrast, and I just don't have the patience for putting those small side rail skins on. It went on pretty well. As you can see there, the camera wasn't perfectly lined up, so it is kind of curved up along the camera rings there, and you can see a little bit on the bottom there. It's a little bit more noticeable on camera when I'm holding the phone up close at an angle. As you can see, it kind of disappears when I turn it that way. So in person, it's not too noticeable. But other than that, you can kind of see where it got a little crooked up here and then down there. Entirely my fault though. The skin fits perfectly fine and everything. The edges are nice and smooth, even though it is kind of crooked. They smoothed out very nicely, and like I said, the skin was only $12.99, so very, very nice for the S24 Ultra. I'll leave the link down below. I'm not an affiliate or anything. It's just a product I'm using that I like, so I figured I would show you guys. Colin here with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.